Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? Okay, so our lesson today is a new reading lesson which is called We Need a Dog Park. Okay, that's the title of our new story. The genre of the story is an opinion piece. Now, what is an opinion piece? Okay, an opinion piece is a type of informational text. So if it's an informational text, most likely it's non-fiction, so it's real, okay? And they are written to share an opinion with others. Authors of opinion pieces try to convince readers that their opinion is right. Okay, so what they're trying to say is when an author of an opinion piece is writing, they try to convince the readers, which means to make them think what the author is writing is correct. Okay, let's take a look at the vocab words. The first word says exercise. Exercise means regular activity to keep healthy. Take a look what he's doing. They're all staying healthy and they're doing exercise. Build. Build means to make something out of wood or other materials. Here they are building and they are making houses. Okay. Rule. Rule means what is allowed or not allowed, also known as a law, and usually the rules help keep us safe. These are rules. I think you have seen these before in class. Take a look. Okay. Mayor. Mayor is a leader of a town or a city. So he's the one who gives rules for the town or the city and tells you what you can and can't do. Okay. Rake. Rake is a verb and it's to sweep up. Look, rake the leaves. Okay, so rake is the verb. Here we're looking at the verb, we're cleaning up. Okay, to rake, sweep up. Apartment. An apartment is a building with a set of rooms that are divided into houses. Let's take a look at the pictures. These are apartments. So it's a big building with small houses inside. Path. Path is a way or a track made for walking. So if you see this here, the brown bit, that's what the path is. It's a track that we use to walk on, or we can use it to ride our bikes on. Okay, there's another one. Here's another path, the brown part. Explore. Explore means to search and discover new things. Okay, let's take a look. He's exploring, he's searching for new things. They're exploring. Maybe they're looking for something and can't find it. Now let's think, let's practice. I want to know if you can see the words or figure out which word is for each picture. Let's guess. Okay, what is he doing? That's right. He is building. What are they doing? Can you guess? Explore. That's right. What are they doing? They're doing something to keep healthy, to stay healthy. You should do this very often. That's right, they're doing exercise. What are these? Something you should all be familiar with. That's right, rule. What is he? He's a mayor, okay? A mayor is the one who takes care of the city or the town. What's this brown thing that we walk along or we can ride our bike on? Do you know what it's called? That's right, it's a path. What is he doing? Remember the verb? It's rake. That's right. Good work, everyone. Keep it up.